Hello student, myself Digant Sakhiwala, I am your math sir. Today we will continue chapter number 1, real numbers. Dear student, we are going to do the exercise 1.2. So we will start. Express each number of product of its prime factor. So we will use the tree factor method or factor tree method. So for first question in that we have to do 140. We have to get the prime factor by the factor tree method. So we will write here 140 in the circle, or you can make the box and we write the factors. Okay, so the first factor of the 140 is 72 okay. Then after we know that 70 is divided into two parts, that is 35 2 35 is divided into two parts, that is we know that is what, 5, and other is 7. So we can write the 140 in this way, that 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. We can write here 2 square into 5 into 7. This is the factor of 140. Second question we have, that is we have to get the factor of 156. Okay, again we will draw the circle 1 5 6, and here we have 2, and we get the factor of 156. So here it is a 78 2 78 is divided into two parts, that is what, 39 2 39 is divided into two parts, that is 3 and 13. So we can write the factor of 156 equals to 2 into 2, 3 into 13. So we can write 2 square into 3 into 13. So these are the factors of 156, prime factors of 156. Third we have 3825. Okay, and we draw the again in the circle, that is 3825. Factor we have, that is 3, and here we have 1275. That we have another factor is 3 4s are 12, 425. We have another factor is from the 5. Okay, 85 5s are. Then the another factor we have, that is 5, 17 5s are. Okay, so we can write 3825 in the this form, 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. So we can write 3 square into 5 square into 17. So these are the prime factor of 3825. The next question we have, that is question number 4. In that we have to find the factors of 5005. Okay, so we draw the 5005, and one factor is 5, another factor we have 1001, another factor we have, that is okay, and then after we have the last factor is what, 11 into 13. So we have the factor of 5005 is we have factor, that is 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Okay, the 5 that 7429. So first we will draw here circle 7429. Then after it is divided into two parts. First part we have, that is 17. Okay, here we have the 4 3 7. 4 3 7 is again divided into two parts, that is 19 and 23. So 4729 has 17 into 19 into 23 factors are. Dear student, we are going to solve question number 2. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF equals to product of two numbers. So we have the numbers are there, 26 and 91, 26 and 91, and we will do the factorization by the tree factor method. So we take 26 in the circle or block, then we will find here 13 2s are 26. 91 we can find by the 13 7s are 91. Okay, now we will write the factor. 26 equals to 2 into 13 and 91 equals to 7 into 13. Okay, here in that 13 is common, so HCF of 26 and 91 equals to, we have 13. We are going to find the LCM of 26 and 91 equals to, we will take the first common number, that is 13, and 2 are not common, that is 2 and 7. So we have 13 into 14. Okay, it is 182. So LCM we get here 182. Now we have to prove that LCM into HCF equals to product of two numbers. LCM is 182 and HCF is 13, and here 26 into 91, both are 2366 equals to 2366. So we can say that LHS equals to RHS. Now next we are going to find, second we are going to find, that is 336 and 54. So we draw the circle here 336 and we try to find the factor. So this is 2 and here we have 168 2s are, again the two factors are possible, that is 84 2s are, again two factors are possible, that is 42 2s are, again two factors are possible, that is 21 2s are, again we know that class factors are possible, that is 3 7s are. Same way we will find for the 54. 54 we draw in the circle or block. We know that 27 2s are 54. Then we have another factors are possible, that is 3 9s are 27, or 9 has two factor are there, that is 3 3s are 9. Okay, so we can write here the factor of 336 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 7. How many 2 are there? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 and 3 into 7. And 54 factor we will write, 54 equals to, we can write 2 and how many 3 are there? 1 2 and 3. Now we have to find the HCF of 336 and 54. So we will take common numbers. 1 2 is common, 1 3 is common, so 6. LCM of 336 and 4, in that we take the maximum to 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4, maximum 3 1 2 3, 1 2 and 3, and 1 7. So we get here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 into 63. Okay, 3024. Now we get here LCM 336554 equals to 3024. Now we are going to prove that LCM into HCF equals to product of two number. Okay, LCM we have 3024, HCF we have 6 and 336 and 54, both are 18144. 18144. So we can say that LHS equals to RHS. So we can say that LCM into HCF equals to product of two number. We have the next question is question number 3. We have to find the 510 and 92. Okay, 510 and 92. So we again draw 510 in the circle. So here we get, okay, 2 5 5s are. Here its factor is divided by 3. Eighty-five threes are. Again other factors we have, that is 5 and 17. Okay, these are enough. Now we will find for the 92. 92 has two factors are there, that is 46 twos are. Other is we have, that is 23 twos are, and 23 has no factor. So we can write here 510 factors are 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, and we have the factors of 92 equals to 2 into 2, 23. So here we can say that 2 2 is common. So HCF of 510 92, HCF is 2, 2 is common. Now we have to find the LCM of 510 92. In that maximum 2 we will take. So here the 2 2 are there, maximum 3 1 3 1 5 117 and 123. 23460, 23460. So LCM will be 23460. Now we have to prove that LCM into HCF equals to product of two number. So LCM we have 23460 into, we have this one 2, and two numbers we have 510 and 92. So here we get equals to 46920. So we can say that LHS equals to RHS. So LCM into HCF equals to product of two numbers. So dear student, this is all about the today's portion. If you like my video, then like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.